Hi, welcome to Munchie Monday. My name is Devin DeMint, and today we will be preparing everything celery sticks. But before we begin, we will start by washing our hands and making sure everything's sanitized. And today we will be making everything celery. So for this recipe, we'll use cream cheese and bagel seasoning and celery. For this episode, we already pre-washed and pre-prepped everything. So our celery is already washed and we've already gotten our cream cheese and bagel seasoning off to the side. So we'll start by cutting up the celery into smaller pieces. So now you have bite-sized pieces. Celery is really great for nutrition and other minerals and vitamins. Makes a great snack. And now what we'll do is we'll add cream cheese to it. Cream cheese is high in heart-healthy fats. So just smear it on into the celery like that. All right, and now that we've prepared all of our celery with the cream cheese, it's now time to put our 1 tablespoon of bagel seasoning on top of that. And now you enjoy.